Semifinals, Independence D, BMAX. First set, semifinals. First set. Semifinals, ayan na po ang ating magigiting na mandirigma. First set. Sino manalo? First set winner, podium. Next, podium na to guys. Dito ka muna. Second set, ganun ulit. Naku po, may kakambal. Second set, semis. Second set. Second set, semis. Grabe talaga yun. Mark frame na yan. Ang oh! Good! Oh! Winner, winner, winner. Naku po. Grabe naman. Kambal. Second set na pumasok. Good yun, good. Asa yung isa? 10. Third set, semis. Kinuha ka agad eh, oh. Pinunasan na po. Second set. Ay, third set. Sorry. Third set. 1. 2 last lap. Grabe. The businessman is back. Baktol. Podium. Grabe naman yun. Magkano atian? Finals. Third set na pumasok. Ito na po maglalaban-laban sa finals guys. Finals natin. Independence Day. BMAX GP. 11K. Finals. Eto na. Finals na. Magkano natin yung 11,000? 444. Uy, 444. Ikaw mag-abono ng ano ha, piso ha. 443 pwede. Uy. Po. Bahala na kayo dyan. Basta finals na guys. Sino ka mag-uuwi? Oh! Not today. Sabi ng kalaban. Not today. Sayang oh. Hey. Champion and second. Ang kambal na Mac frame. Ayun, pighati. Pighati yung isa doon. Ayun, umiiyak guys. Welcome back tol.
Iyakin na yung nagbabalik. Iyakin.
Champion car. Mac frame, second. Third. Nice one. Ito po ang ating manager. Okay na ba manager? Oh, yes. Congratulations.